It's me, Mrs. Stiliano. I'm here today showing you the next step of our Square One art from Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Will there be enough room? I'm here with my first grade class. You guys want to say hi? Hi! All right. And I'm using my friend Maria as my example today. I'm so excited to use her. So here's what's going to happen. First things first. First thing is, I am going to draw something called the contour, which is the outer line around me. So I'm looking for that outer shape. Do you guys all see it?
Yeah.
So I'm just doing my outer shape. And what's that fancy name for that again?
Contour.
Yeah, we've done contours before, right?
Yeah.
All right.
For air balloons.
Oh, that's right. That's right. So you have a little bit of experience. That's great. So now, guess what I'm going to do? Atreyu, do you know what I'm going to do? What do you think?
Cut it out.
That's right. All right. So watch me as I do this. Maybe you guys can help me by saying chugga chugga choo choo, nice and soft like that. Ready? Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo. They're helping me stay on track. All right. Going nice and slow. Going so slow. My little choo-choo train's going so nice and soft, almost like a whisper. All right. I'm kind of cutting out that black line. It's no longer really here, you see? I have to be very careful as I cut. I'm going really nice and slow. And stop. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for your help. So I have my little Maria now, and unfortunately I have some trash. What do I do with my trash?
Throw it away.
Great. So here's what I'm gonna do now. All right, I get to decide where I'm gonna put Maria. Whoop, I'm out of the picture, I see that. So I am going to look and find the best spot first. I'm not just gonna glue her anywhere. I wanna check out my options. I wanna make sure I'm in a good place. Nope. You don't wanna be too close to the edge. That's the thing. If you're close to the edge, you might get cut out, because what happens with Square One art is they send it to a factory where it's processed, and they do chop out the edges a little bit. So you're gonna find the best spot, okay? And I think I found the best spot. What do you think?
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue on the back. Now I'm gonna have her sitting beneath the tree. This picture is about reading a book beneath a tree. Right, Easton? So now I have some nice new markers for you guys to use for decorating. So eyes are on the screen, you friends. Eyes are on the screen as I show you our next steps. So this is a fun part for me to design, but first I want to show you some very important things. So something extremely important is to write your name, okay? And I want to show you how to do it fancy, like Fancy Nancy. So you guys want to see how? Ready? So since I'm doing Maria, I'll show you how to do this one. So these are the little balls. Do you see them?
Yeah.
You could do all caps like I'm doing if you want to. You don't have to do like I'm doing. Just showing you an option. Do you see how I put little ballies at the end of each thing? And here's something very important that you must add. Right, Joy? Michael, do you see? Something very important that you must add is the year. The year is 2024.
2024.
Okay, so here I'm up to my next step. So with my markers, now I get a chance to really design my picture. So designing your picture is going to look different for everyone. Now in my last class, the students really wanted to put a lot of the stuff from Chicka Chicka Boom Boom in their picture. So in Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, will there be enough room? There's a lot of letters, aren't there? You don't have to do this, but I want to show you an option. So maybe you're going to have letters coming off of your tree. You can make them all fancy too. Maybe they're going in all different directions. You don't have to do this. I'm just showing you an option. Maybe they're all different colors. What's a letter I could use, Maria?
B.
B. Okay.
That was turn.
Oh, okay. So we'll let Maria tell me a letter next. Maria, what letter? Tell me a letter.
She said R.
R. Okay, you got it. All right. I'm gonna choose Brooke. Tell me a letter that I can add.
Sugar.
Oh. Okay. Byron, can you tell me a letter to add?
B.
What was it?
B.
Oh, B. You got it.
Another B.
That's okay.
There's 2 A's.
That's okay. I would like to choose Joyce. Tell me a letter to add.
K.
I love it. All right. Now I'm going to choose Aurora.
Z.
Ooh, good one.
She said, I thought she said.
All right. And I would like to choose Jalen.
I would pick
You. I pick you too.
you.
Double meaning. Okay. Let's see. Natalia, you want to tell me a letter? N. Of course. For Natalia. And can I choose Easton to tell me a letter?
Z.
Okay. And yes, Max. M. And Michael. X. That's a good one. And Jackson, can you tell me a letter to use? J. I love it.
Maybe because his name is
And can I ask Atreyu? Why? All right.
J-O-Y.
Okay, so maybe you guys all get the gist, but maybe you're going to do yours like mine, or maybe you have another plan. But either way, our first step is going to be to cut ourselves out and put ourselves into our picture. Remember, all the supplies you need are at table number 3. All right. So on the count of 3, we're going to sign off. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Goodbye.